How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Haven't been posting a whole lot since Christmas and New Year's, but it's been rough. I've been sick. Had a cold there for a while. Had some kind of chest cold type thing going. Gave me some steroids, and I do feel a little bit better now. But as you can see, the homestead is covered in snow and ice, and it's going to get really cold. We're going to have to get the tractor out and get the driveway cleaned again, because I think it's supposed to warm up a little bit, then it's going to get cold. This is all going to turn to ice. So it's been rough. It's been a cold one here in southwestern PA. So we're going to go out and we're going to warm the garage up a little bit. We're going to get the tractor fired up, let the tractor warm up, get the garage warmed up, because we do have some cold weather coming in. It's supposed to get really cold, and I want that garage. I don't want anything to freeze in here. So usually my garage stays about 36, 36 to 38 degrees. I've really never seen it much lower than that. So we're going to go in there, warm everything up, and that way it'll last probably a few days. We got a lot of metal stacked around the wood burner, and once that wood, that metal gets warmed up, it stays warm for a long time. So yeah, haven't been feeling very good, so we haven't done a lot of videos, but figured we'd put something out there for you guys to watch. All right, this is about as cold as I've seen it in here, and it's about 36, 38 degrees. We're going to go ahead and get the fire going and get the tractor started up. Let's get the tractor started up. We'll let it run for a little bit while we're warming up the garage. Whew. It's been cold for the last few days. I'll let them glow plugs heat up. Hopefully this thing will fire right up. Alright, let's get us a fire going now. That's how you start a fire. I love that little torch tip. It works great. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you guys want one. It's really nice for starting a fire. So I like to stack all this metal around my wood burner, and when that metal gets hot, it stays hot for a long time. It's kind of like a mass heater, and it really does work nice to keep the garage warm for a longer period of time. Once I warm this garage up, it'll probably stay warm for about 3 days. It'll take that long to start cooling back down. So it works, and it does a good job. The old heater's working nice. You guys remember the little glass thing we put in the door? Well, it cracked. So, and I didn't get it in there very good. It's loose. But what we're going to do is I'm going to pull it out, and I'm going to make another door like this on the bottom for up here, and it'll give me the extra air. Because I noticed when I really want to get the fire going, I got to crack the door open a little bit. So I do need more air. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make another air vent right there. But that wood burner has been really working out well for us. So yeah, we've been a little bit sick here at the homestead. Haven't been feeling real good, but been putting in a lot of overtime hours at work. We're getting a lot of work. As you guys know, I plow snow on the roads, and we've been getting a lot of snow. Some of the biggest snows we've had in a while. So definitely keeping us on our toes and keeping us busy. I just got off work. Like I said, we got the tractor running. We want to clean up the driveway a little bit, and I do want to warm this garage up because I've been gone for quite a few days. One thing You guys out there, I don't know if you know it, but a lot of the guys that have to plow snow in these big snowstorms, and the power goes out and stuff. You know, we don't get to be home with our family when this stuff happens. You know, we're on the road all the time. So usually Julie's got a tough task at hand. She has to get the firewood in and keep the fire going. It's a lot of stuff she has to do because I can't be here when we get big storms, you know. So we have to be out on the road working. So I got the tractor warming up here in a bit. We'll get out there after this gets warmed up and it's nice and warm. We'll go out there and do some snow removal. We're just going to scrape down the driveway because if it does get warm enough for it to start to melt and we don't have it down to some of that gravel, it's going to turn to a solid sheet of ice, and we don't want it turning to ice. I've scraped the driveway quite a few times this year. Anytime you're out there and you're plowing a gravel driveway, what you want to do is make sure you stack all the snow from your driveway back in your driveway somewhere. That way, the gravel that you pushed up in your snow, you'll be able to spread it back out on your driveway. And that's what I've done. I have a huge pile over here of snow, and then I have a huge pile right there full of snow. And those were some big piles. But all the gravel, I'll be able to save it because, guess what? It's in that snow and it's still in my driveway. Now normally I would ask Ricky if he wants to do his driveway, but he's been using a leaf blower every time it snows a little bit, and it's pretty clean, so he didn't need it this time, but he's welcome to it anytime he wants it. So we got the driveway cleaned up. It looks pretty good. I mean, the main thing is to get it to where it'll melt off and get down into some of that gravel, and then you'll get traction up and down that hill. Let's go in and check on our fire. Man, the fire's burning good. We're at almost 500 degrees on the stack thermometer. This bad boy is heating it up in here nice. Let's go see what the thermometer says up on the wall now. So it's almost 60 degrees in here. Man, it's real close to 60. So it's warming up nice. I'm gonna sit down in front of this fire and warm up a little bit myself. Well, Julie got me some food to eat. I'm gonna sit here and warm up a little bit in front of the wood burner, eat my food, and take a little bit of a break here. It's definitely warming up really nice in the garage. And we got a super cold front coming in, and we don't want things to freeze inside the garage. We still have a pressure washer over there with the water in it, so we don't want it to freeze in here. I always keep a bottle of water in the garage. It's over here. I always keep a bottle of water in the garage so I can tell if anything's freezing in here, and I've never had the bottle to freeze. It was really nice that we insulated the garage. We did some pretty decent insulation in here, and that does help it stay warm for a lot longer at a time. There's nothing like having a hot meal in front of a hot wood burner. It is nice. Well, it's up to 60 degrees in here. Feeling pretty warm. I've been working on this little bird. I just wanted to try to see if I could make this little bird. I've seen a picture of it on Pinterest, and I thought maybe I'd try to make one. But it's just something to tinker with while I'm waiting on this fire to warm up the garage. Gives me something to do. So we got the driveway cleaned up pretty good. I think it looks all right. Once it warms up, it'll melt that off and hopefully get down into some of the gravel. Yeah, I wanted to work on this little bird a little bit more. I was building this for Julie. It's made out of black walnut. I think it's going to be a cute little bird when we get it done. I'll show it to you guys. I really hope you guys had a good Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I know we did really nice. We had a good time here. The only thing is I did get sick, and I'd been sick for a while. Christmas vacation, I was sick, of course. And I just got back from the doctors. I had this cough. It seemed like it was going down in my chest. And they gave me some steroids, and I'm feeling better now. So hopefully we can get back into making the videos. If there's any videos you guys would like to see me make this year, leave it in the comments down below. If you'd like to see some type of video or some type of a build, let me know. Maybe the camper build? I don't know. We're still thinking about it. We're debating on it. We might end up building a camper. I'm not sure. The only thing is if we do anything like that, usually we get them out of, I think, Georgia, down that way, and it's a long haul for us to get one of them, order it, and then go down and pick it up. I guess you could have it delivered, but who wants to pay that extra cost? You know what I'm saying. But I think building a camper would be fun, but we'll see. What do you guys think? Okay, I told you guys I'd show you my little bird when I was finished with it. It's just a, I don't know what you call it, but it's a little bird, little piece of art, I guess, all black walnut. You guys know how much we like working with the black walnut. It's pretty cool. Cool looking little bird. So I would like to tell everyone thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment if you'd like. Till next time.